Some more coffee. Okay. Hey guys. Today I'm just doing this get ready with me that ends up looking like this. This is what I do normally for work, for day-to-day makeup where I need to go out in the world and not be noticed. So when I'm doing makeup on other people and going to work, I just want to blend in with the background because it's not about me. It's about work and it's about other people's makeup and not about mine. So this is I look presentable. I'm here for you and not for me kind of makeup. So yeah, if you want to see how I do it, let's go on and get into it. I don't know what I'm doing. It's crazy. Okay, so the very first thing that I'm going to be doing is setting an alarm so that I don't go over. It's really easy for me to forget. And then I'm putting on some tunes, some Goodbye Horses. And then I'm going to take a facial primer. This is the Urban Decay Optical Illusion one. And I'm just going to start painting my foundation on like a crazy person. This is NARS Siberia, I think. And I forgot to put eye primer on, so I'm gonna be doing that while I have this pox all over my face. And I really like to like rub the primer in to make sure it's nice and a really nice and thin layer, or else it sort of gets creasy during the day. And then I'm gonna just buff that all in so I don't look so insane anymore. This is a synthetic brush from Wet n Wild. You can see Ichabod in the background there, sleepy stretching all over the bed, so cute, sir. And then I'm going to take some concealer under my eyes and just anywhere that I feel like I need more coverage. This is the Urban Decay Naked Concealer. And I'm gonna set that with a loose powder. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, I'm pretty sure. I use that if I have it. And then this is the Illamasqua blusher in Disobey, I think. And I really like this one because it's warm and I use it for a contour, so it makes me look healthy and like, you know, bright and in it to win it and all that stuff. I can stay warm but also have some shape to my face. And then this is like my quick brow routine. This is the NYX Brow Duo. So I'm using the darker shade sort of underneath and the lighter shade on top of the brow, sort of trying to like fluff that through. And then the darker shade again, just to like crisp out the bottom and the back of the tail. Make sure it's nice and pointy. And then I'm just gonna comb through with a spoolie because I don't like it to be too harsh. I mean, I like it harsh, but not too harsh. And then this is just some random pink blush. I think it's the one I always use for Milani, Tea Rose, or Bella Rosa, I'm not sure the name. And then of course, a little bit of Kat Von D Thunderstruck goes a long way to make you look bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Take that around the eye socket and then on the Cupid's bow. And then I'm gonna use the Modern Renaissance palette because I really use this almost every day. I use those two shades, the sort of cream shade and the mauve shade. It's basically my everyday eyeshadow. I put it all, the lighter shade all over as a base and then take the mauve shade through the crease. Oh, and my timer has now failed, so I'm going to reset, give myself a little more time to finish. I'm taking that sort of all over the crease and up into the brow bone. Also, like on the outer third of the eye and underneath. And then I'm taking a little bit of this shimmery shade and just putting that in the inner corners to look more awake, you know. And the darkest brown shade in that palette, I'm going to just push it along the upper lashes and whatever's left along the lower lashes. Mascara, of course. And I always make sure to put bottom mascara on because I have a lot of lashes under there, so it's a really quick and easy way to make it look like I've done stuff with my makeup. It's just to pile on bottom mascara. And then this is Jordana's Rebel Rose or Rockin' Rose. I'm not sure, I'll put it down below. And I just fill in my whole lip with this and then take NYX's Butter Gloss in Tiramisu, I think is the name of the shade, and just put that over the top just to moisturize it a little bit. And then I noticed that I was looking a little washed out from all that definition, so I put some more blush on. And then I also noticed that my lips were looking a little wonky, so I went back in with a lip liner to correct that. And now, let's do the hair. That's important. I just generally really don't do a lot to my hair. I really need to get a haircut. I think I'm gonna get it cut like up to here. I don't know. I just generally like straighten out these first, like put like really loose waves in the first couple pieces around my face and then call it done. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, so that is it. It's just so that I look presentable and can get out of the damn house. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, please do leave them down below. Please like this video and subscribe. It really helps me out. And yeah, I hope you guys are well, and I will see you all in my next video.